What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Atomic Wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly send crypto from Coinbase to your Atomic Wallet? Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and just get your address for your Atomic Wallet. So at the browser here, if you're using your browser, let's go open up the extension. And from here, let's go and copy our address. So by the way, you need to choose whichever cryptocurrency you want to send. Like for example, you want to use Ethereum here, just go and select Ethereum. Now, by the way, just review the network here. So by default, it's going to use the Ethereum network. So go and just make sure that you're using whatever network you want to use here. But let's go and click on the receive button at the bottom left here. Now from here, just click on copy. And once you've copied that, let's head over into our Coinbase account. Now here in Coinbase, what we need to do is you want to go and just click on the send option at the bottom right here and just select your Coinbase wallet here. Now on the next page, it might ask you to select the cryptocurrency that you want to send here. So in this case, just make sure to match that. So if you're sending Ethereum, choose Ethereum. But in this case, this is what you'll be seeing, or the general UI that you'll be seeing here. But yeah, so in this case, just specify the amount that you want to send. And also, if you click on the to section at the bottom section here, it will redirect you to a section here that looks like something similar to this one. So in this case, just enter the address that you want to send here. And once you've entered the address, you should be able to select it in this section here. So yeah, so go ahead and select that. And from then on, let's go and click on preview send at the bottom right and just make sure that the details are correct. So that includes the amount, the address here, the network fees, and the send time. Now send time varies here, so just be patient on receiving your crypto here. But yeah, so just click on send now if you're sure, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.